Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Rick here. So today we're going to see what happens if you remove DIclist, which is a file where I believe all the cars stuff, like all the cars are stored, even with the add-on cars, which you have add-on, which I'll show an example here. Let's show this one, an example like this car. So I'm gonna see what happens if you remove the file. So yeah, now with the add-ons and stuff, we'll have a mods folder which will have the folder in, and then that's the update folder in our main directory. So we're gonna remove it from both. See what happens. Let's get into it. Okay, so we're in the GTA 5's directory. First, I'm gonna start with the mods folder. So this is the file here which we're going to delete. Okay, so we're going to go in edit mode. So this is the file we're going to delete here, which I'll select and then delete the file. Now, I've already backed this one up, so it should be fine. Let's show backing it up. Okay, so it looks like we ran into a problem and it couldn't handle it. And we're going to reopen OpenIV. Okay, so we're starting OpenIV again. So we want to make sure to see if that file is deleted or not. Make sure the crash wasn't because it failed to delete the file. As I'm looking, doesn't seem to have it. Alright, so it successfully deleted the file. Then I'm going to go to the update folder, which is here. Now, because it's going to be two of the exact same files, I'm just going to name it, at least this one 1, or anybody wants, so that way we can put the other one in, because this one, that's if you want to test for yourself. I don't actually recommend doing this, but yeah. Now we're going to just put this here to back it up, then go into edit mode, and delete the file. The file is now deleted, and we'll launch Grand Theft Auto 5, see what happens. Okay. It's now launching. Okay, there we go. Okay. So it hasn't interfered with loading screen. I think the loading screen is under some MP4 file. Because people, let's say if you're on the PS3, or if you get it, let's say if I use, let's say I can put one of my videos in as that start screen, or play it as the startup screen. So yeah, it's also doable for the PS3 as well, and also Xbox, but I'm not exactly sure for the PS4. Okay, so right now, we're gonna go into story mode. Now, here's the thing, I have not done any research on what happens. I haven't done any research because I didn't want to spoil it for myself. So I've done that. Okay. The personal vehicle's still dead, the personal bike, so it doesn't affect personal vehicles. Can I still spawn my add-ons? All my add-ons are gone. We have took them out, they are gone. But is our car we got here still in the garage? Oh, it is. So obviously it doesn't interfere with any. I'm not sure what it interferes with. I've done no research. Now I'm going to do a bit of research and see what actually happens. So, okay, this is a, I guess, overview. But here it is. Deleting the DLC list. XML file GTA 5 located in update or the update pref. And the comment data will prevent the game from loading most if not all the downloadable content DLC packs added to the game in its entire release. That file interacts the game on which content packs load during startup. Here's what happens in story mode. Game crashes or instability. The game will likely crash on startup, freeze because it cannot locate the necessary game components. It didn't do it to me. Maybe I'll double check if we actually deleted it. That it expects to load, particularly if you're running a modded version of the game. If the game manages to load, you'll lose all access to all cars, weapons, items added in updates as the game will no longer recognize the DLC pack folders. Oh! Okay, so we're gonna check the DLC cars. Which I can spawn here. Spawner. I actually have one. We're gonna go to utility. No. It's in service, right? I should try finding that. Oh, no way. So I actually can't. So what will happen? Oh, okay. So it actually spawns the models, but some models are invalid. So try to find that one. That driverless van. Yeah. So we actually can't spawn these vehicles. So what will happen is that you can't actually spawn DLC vehicles added, but it doesn't mess around with story mode vehicles. It's DLC vehicles. So nothing else. Okay, let's read on more. Broken features or scripting errors. Certain story mode missions, events, or activities that rely on these DLC files, such as specific vehicle requirements or sets, may break. Broken model sets, you may experience missing textures, invisible objects, or visible models, errors when in-game failed to load, creating or unplayable experience. Oh, so this means we have to actually go on GTA Online. Which, this is a story mode episode, not GTA Online. But comment down below if I should do this in GTA Online. What happens if I do it for GTA Online? Will it load up? But right now, because I'm on the Legacy with the modded versions, we won't be able to do that, unfortunately. But maybe next video we can do it. So comment down below what you think and what file I should delete next, see what happens to the game. But yeah, anyways, yeah. First, before we end it off, let's see if it messes with the sound. Alright. Nothing. Wait, let me list. Okay. Okay. Nothing. Okay, what about the characters? Let's actually spawn a character. Spawn a character I should have tried. Ah, so the mod menu I got actually knows and just takes it off us, so I'm gonna use the rampage menu and do it. I actually want to do that before actually end the video off. Oh, invalid model. And you still say spawn as Franklin, do you? Or any other character selected? So Michael with Trevor, I guess. Let's turn audio down so I can end the video off. Anyways, I'm going to end it here. Thanks for watching this video. Comment down below what file I should delete Grand Theft Auto 5 to see what happens in game. Thanks for watching. See you next one. Bye everybody.